Hey, what's up guys? It's hot and you want to turn on the AC, but your traditional remote is somewhere else or dead. If you have a phone with an IR blaster, you've actually got a universal remote right in your pocket. And in this video, let me show you how to set it up in less than 2 minutes. So, let's dive in. Think of an IR blaster as an invisible flashlight that hooks to your AC. Check for a little black circle on top of your phone. Common brands like Xiaomi, Poco, older Samsung and LG models often have this available. Step number 1. Choose the right app. In this video, I'll demo on the Mi Remote app, one of the best remote app for IR Blaster supported devices. Let's download and install the Mi Remote app. If you got it on your phone, skip this step. Step number 2. Follow the setup process. Open the app and tap on Add Remote. Tap to choose air conditioner or AC. Next, search for your AC brands. You can search via brand's name listed here in the alphabetical orders, or the best way to search is using the search bar. Here I've got a Daikin AC, so let's enter Daikin in the search box. Alright, here it is. Right away, a pairing test is on. The app prompts you to point the remote at the AC and tap on the power button on the screen. You have to keep trying the next codes until your AC responds. When the AC small indicator light blinks and beep sound is on, that means AC already responds. Now tap on the tick button to confirm your AC. Step number 3. Discover key features and customizations. On the AC Remote app interface, we have quite a lot of options here. First, we can turn on and off the AC by using this power button. Next, the mode button is for switching modes among heating, auto, fan, dehumidifying, and cooling. After that, you can control the speed of the fan, direction of the fan to up, down, or middle. Swing button is for making the AC fan swing modes. Now, increase or decrease the temperature by this minus or plus button. You can also set timer or put your AC to sleep right on this Mi Remote app. More advanced modes are hidden under this side 3-dot menu button. Alright, good news guys, we can add home screen shortcut to the Mi Remote for AC so that we don't have to open the app every time. And that's it. No more tearing apart the living room looking for the remote or waiting around because the batteries died. As long as you have your phone, you have full control over your AC. It's one of those small life hacks that generally make a difference in your daily routines, especially during those hotter months. I'd love to hear from you. Which AC brand are you using at home? Drop me a comment down below and let me know if the app worked for your model. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Anfan for more practical tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.